What's up guys, it's me Gabriella, your undercover agent from the female world, giving you best female perspective in dating. And thank you for joining me. We'll have such a good time because I have a juicy topic lined up just for you. Today I will talk about how to make a woman feel feminine and girly. But before we start, please hit on the subscribe button and turn on your notifications because we have so many incredible videos coming your way. In a healthy relationship, there is a feminine and masculine energy. However, women have become more aggressive in life now more than ever. We have female CEOs, athletes, artists, academics, and so much more. That has affected modern dating because more women have adapted the masculine energy. When a woman is in her feminine energy, she becomes submissive and can make you feel like you own the world. But it can boost your confidence by inspiring a deep sense of pride. But how do you get there? Let's look at techniques to make a woman feel feminine and girly. Number 1, shower her with attention. Most men assume that women are attention seekers when the men don't give women the attention they need. You can get a woman who doesn't need attention, but she will not be as feminine and girly as you would like. It's challenging for a woman to be feminine and girly when she has to take care of everything and protect herself. The attention reminds us to relax because you have everything under control. Making a woman feel feminine is not a one-time thing, it's a process. Create non-verbal cues that are unique to you. That will help you remind her that she has your attention even in public. For example, secretly blowing her a kiss when you're with your friends. It will make her feel girly. Small things that will tell her you're noticing her goes a long way in making her feel feminine and girly. You don't have to spend the whole day with a woman for her to realise that she has your attention. Number 2, make her feel young. When we're young, life is simple and we get the comfort of living in our hope and fantasy bubble. The sneakiest way to make a woman feel feminine and girly is making her feel like a young girl again. And that's not buying them all the pink stuff. Well, thanks to Disney and other fairy tale movies, young girls grow up anticipating to bump into their Prince Charming, a man that will sweep them off their feet and show them altruistic love. Understand their girly perspective of relationships and what they wanted. It's challenging for a woman to resist a guy that plays around with her girly fantasies. It compels her to her feminine side, making it easy for you to connect with her. Number 3, use the power of flirting. The next technique to make a woman feel feminine and girly is using the power of flirting. We have established that to make a woman feel feminine or girly, she has to get into a space that she feels desired, cherished, and safe. Most of the time, flirting is non-committal and discreet. Does that remind you of something? Yes, the teenage love that seems kind of forbidden, but it's too good to stay away. Flirting makes a woman feel safe, desired, and beautiful. These are factors that can trigger a woman's girly side and make her feel feminine. Blushing is a sign of a woman blossoming in her feminine and girly energy. Mastering the art of flirting can help you get her blushing all day. A bonus trick is to intensify the feeling of flirting with her in public. The waves of mixed emotions will make her feel more feminine and girly. 4. Be present. Another sneaky way to make a woman feel feminine and girly is being emotionally present. Women understand how emotionally vulnerable they are, so they build emotional walls to protect themselves. These emotional walls can drain the woman's feminine energy because she has to be strong and cautious. It becomes easy for a woman to emotionally connect with a man who is present. It will build trust, which will be instrumental in making a woman open up emotionally. It's during vulnerability that a woman swims in her feminine and girly energy. The more she opens up and becomes vulnerable to you, the more she will feel feminine and girly when she's around you. Number 5, treat her like a woman. The last technique that we'll look at is treating her like a woman to make her feel feminine and girly. Now, it's challenging in modern dating to know where our gender roles start. Men were providers, but now women also work. And some make more money than men. However, no matter the woman's financial or social status, all women want to feel taken care of. Yes, she can pay for her meal, but plan a date and take charge of everything. The small acts make a woman feel babied and can make her feel feminine and girly. Hold her hand out of affection, and when you're walking down the street, let her take the passenger seat and drive her even if the car is hers. Treating a woman like a woman suppresses her need to be masculine when around you and inspires her feminine energy. Emotional walls that women build to protect themselves inhibit them from being more in touch with their emotions than they should be. That can prevent them from being feminine and girly. The techniques to make a woman feel more feminine and girly help them bring down their walls and touch with their emotions. Well, there you have it, guys. There's nothing you can't achieve if you know how to get it. Please hit me up in the comment section and tell me what you think. It's always a pleasure to have you guys join me. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out our ebooks and online programs at karmalifestyles.com. I'm Gabriella Ryan and I will see you in the next video. Bye!